We're here in the deepest depths of Clare Road in Maidenhead on the search for the Parrots spark lettuce. A really rare, even mythical creature. It's believed there's only one left in the wild, one left in the world, and we're hoping to find that on this expedition. It's been 2 weeks now. I think we're almost going to have to give up soon. If we don't see something in the next 2 days, it's going to be really difficult. We're running out of rations. A few of the guys have got scurvy. It's looking pretty bad. Wait. Shh, what's that noise?
Squawk. Squawk. Squawk.
It's been serious flash flooding here. I've lost all my crew. It's just me left. I think if we don't see anything in the next couple of days, rations are low, I think we're just going to have to give up and go home, which would be really disappointing. Really pains me to say this, but I think that's it. We've given it our best shot, but this thing's just been far too difficult to find. Hang on, wait, what's that? Look! This is unbelievable. Look at that. Look how majestically he moves. As he prepares to take flight. This is amazing footage. Oh. This rare species has been living with me now for a few days. It seems quite content, quite happy. It's managed to make itself at home. It's been 5 weeks now since I encountered the parrot. It's actually become quite domesticated. Sorry.